time fidget trading, and like I was here and I had like the ponytail and stuff. But like I got better. Like
Yeah.
like I'm
You get better every single like 24 hours.
Okay.
And now I get better every single 24 hours.
Let's get into the video.
Why is this stuck in here now?
Remember that one time I got stuck in there?
Yeah. My dad.
Okay,
So I had to get a spoon
Okay,
to get it out.
Okay. I'm gonna trade this.
I'll trade you this vinegar.
Except if you're gonna add that. Except.
Yay!
Got my first trade in.
Yeah.
I'm gonna trade you.
I'm gonna trade you this.
Except.
I mean, like, you need all of them.
No.
I mean, all of them in total are rare. So I think I'm gonna give you something rare. How about, well, these guys are rare. I'll give you this.
I put it into it.
I'm sorry. Okay, here you go.
Except.
Oh my god, accept.
Oh my gosh,
You're
that's queen. I'm gonna be trading this puppet spinner.
Oh my god, they're called dimple spinners though. I'll trade you my mini McDonald's puppet that's homemade.
Add.
Why?
Cause like
That's rare.
that's like
It's
it's
also
not even close to spin. Like this one spins. Like
I'll-
that's a rip off, guys, right? Like
It's not a rip-off. I'll add this fidget spinner and this one spins.
except
Yes, queen.
Oh. I'm gonna trade you this pop too. You better add that video cube, cause like, alright. Add, cause like this
No.
makes sounds.
No, and this one's have some. Cause remember.
Decline.
Okay, whatever. I'll trade you this. And it's legendary.
I'm gonna trade you this.
You better add something bad, girl.
I'm done adding. Except.
Yes, Clara, I have my practical puppet, and
I'm
you're
gonna-
really good.
I know it has a rip on the top, but like I'm gonna trade you this. Oh, I'm not done adding. Just yet.
Okay.
Puppet squish. Puppet squish. Except. This is actually very good. Okay, I'm gonna add a
Meshy marble?
Yeah.
Marble mesh? Yeah. I'll give you this orange marble mesh.
I'm gonna add this.
No. Take away.
Except
Yes!
I'm gonna add this. And it better be good, cause like
this. It's my favorite. That's your favorite.
yes. Except
Yes, Quinn. I got a snapper. I got a snapper.
I'm gonna trade you.
Whoa, a lot of fidgets.
How is this a lot of fidgets, guys? Like,
Oh my god. I'll give you one of my mochis and maybe a spiky ball. This crunchy ball.
except
Yeah, I got another puppet spinner.
I'm gonna trade you this big wacky track. Like, it's bigger than my head. It's like bigger than my arm. You better add. Like,
I mean, it's really skinny. Like, dude, that's rare.
what's he wanna add?
I'll give you this water time. It's fair. It's fair.
No, it's not. Like, except
Yes, Claire. I got.
I'm gonna trade you these 3 things. Oh, it has hairs on them. Like,
Oh my god.
do you ever clean your fidgets?
No, I barely clean it.
I'm like busca miska clean.
Oh my god.
Okay, I have my offering.
I'll trade
And this
you.
is like very bouncy. Except.
Hey, you better look on the side of that because it's broken. It's candy.
I'm gonna add infinite cube.
I'll give you this infinity cube.
Sure.
Okay.
lava and this is cotton candy.
Yeah. And lava is fighting.
I'll try to do this.
I'll trade you a mini one.
Wait, yeah.
Yeah. No.
Cause like this is big, and that's small. Okay,
It's still rare. It's still rare.
Add
Okay. I'll give you this.
I'll trade you a monkey noodle, and it's
How about I give you this one?
clean it.
That one's not clean.
This just flew out of my hand, like. Ow!
Don't say that, girl.
Water timer.
Where the heck did my pop
I have the pop too.
Okay, fine. I told you it's rare. I'll give you a rare fidget. Girl, sit back. Is that rare? And this rare?
Is this a one?
Yeah, and that
This
makes
is-
them.
This is sick.
That makes noise. That makes noise, and this doesn't. But I still accept.
Except
Give me that. I got the power.
I'll trade you this.
I got the power.
I'll trade you this.
I'll trade you this. That's rare. And those acid colors make such a good color together. So sure.
Except.
Yay!
Woo! I love pop fidgets. They're maybe my favorite.
Okay, I'll trade you this big butterfly dimple. Get that thing out of my face.
I'll trade you.
And it's legendary. So you better have that, girl. Yes, queen. Yes, queen. Yes, queen. It's queen.
Hold on. I gotta jump. Like,
No. That's gonna be in the video. My dad can upload it. You can't. Sorry. Don't you dare.
I'm gonna add this.
Okay. I'm gonna give you this one.
Sure. Except.
Yes. I love this one.
And I'm gonna add this. Ew. Let me clean.
Get this way.
What?
I mean, sure. Give me that one.
What?
Take away.
Okay, I'm gonna add this monkey noodle.
Yeah, that's one.
Add.
No, this is. Yes.
Ow! Okay, I'm gonna add this butterfly dimple, and it's better add like. I would recommend you add that jumbo poppet. Like, this is like rare.
No, it's legendary. And also, what was I on?
Add your humongous poppet.
No, that's not fair. That's not fair for that. It's worth like these.
Hey.
Just stick. Don't tear up my nose.
Okay, I'm gonna add this. Add.
No.
Okay, fine. I guess you don't want a butterfly dimple. It's legendary, and that's like not legendary. I'm gonna add this butterfly dimple.
I'll give you an ultra and a rare. That makes a legendary, and
Okay.
that's a legendary.
Except
Yes.
cotton candy infinity cube.
Lava infinity too.
Actually, like cotton candy is like the best. So like you better add like
No.
one more small thing. One more small thing.
No. You add because this is a lava and it's like a power. It's like an element or a power. I don't know.
I'm gonna add that.
I mean, cotton candy is delicious. She is totally right. But, I mean, lava's an element.
I'll add 2 simple dimples.
Those aren't, this one's a triple dimple. That one's a simple dimple. So they're not both.
I don't. Please add the big poppet.
No, that's not fair.
Add this.
No.
This.
No.
No, this. No, this.
Keep that.
This. No, I actually want to add more, like this. And I'm gonna add.
Excuse me.
But that was a whole break off.
Can I just offer for the triple dimple though?
Yes.
I'll offer you this. OMG, yes. This is so fair.
I love these.
You know what? I got something. Bruh.
Alright. It's too hard to change. Look.
Yeah!
Best friends. Be the best friends forever.
Hey! Excuse me.
Boingy! It's a simple dimple puppet.
And you're trimple dimple.
Just put my boys out there. It's like a simple. No, let me show them. Let me show them.
But first, let me show them the trimple dimple. Ow! Oh my God, Clara, what have you done? So,
Did I scare you guys?
he probably
Did I?
He probably did. Hey, can you zoom in for me? Can you zoom in for me? Like, hold on. Just tap the screen.
I'm not allowed to.
No, zoom in. Just,
I am zooming in.
do they see my?
No.
It's just a trick that my grand.
Okay, let's go back to fidget toys. What are we doing?
Let me see how much time we got. What?
We've been doing it for 23 minutes.
It's fine. I don't care. Don't.
Wait,
Don't.
I'm gonna make sure they see your fidgets.
They see mine.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Oh. It's been 13 minutes, you little cheater. Hold on. Let's go back to fidget trading. I'll trade you this triple dimple for your simple dimple.
Sure.
Okay.
Wait, let me show them this. Oh. Hello, my name is Susie. With Susie with a Z.
And no one didn't say Susie. What the heck?
So we put your love in our hands, oh darling. I'm begging you. Put your love in our hands.
You look happy and healthy.
Wait, you like Olivia Rodrigo?
And I hope she's hearing this right now because I love her song.
I don't like her.
Why?
I mean, she talks about her ex-boyfriend.
Excuse me.
And, talks about a lot of feeling,
say that in a video.
I'm sorry, but she's, so emotional.
Excuse me. Don't you dare.
She's, so emotional.
Why?
Okay, fine, you can play Olivia Rodrigo.
No,
Play
no.
her.
Play her.
I actually like her.
So bad.
No, you'll be trying me, 'cause I know that you never never feared sorry. And now I heard you talk to her. We
Why is there so
went
many-
together.
Why is there so many Hamilton
Huh?
I
It's
kept
not
on
really
singing
matter.
Hamilton. I was the best of all things.
Hey, play Olivia Rodrigo.
Stop it! No.
Why?
And I don't want that any better.
Wait, can I play that song? Like, play Bacon.
Bacon.
Begging you.
It's called bacon. I'm baking.
Baking toast. The butter in your sausage.
That's way too loud. That's like.
Okay, I'm pausing it.
I don't think video should be like. How about I put this on later because I don't think so. And like maybe like a music video that someone edited, but I don't think it's good in like a music video.
How do we put this down?
Excuse me, this is so old. Excuse me, are you adding that? I would not accept. Add. Here. Give me that. Give me that jello. Excuse me. Stop it. Stop it. You know what? Let's just play with fidgets now, like for all I care. You know what? Yeah, play with fidgets. Come on, play with fidgets, girl.
Let's just play with fidgets. It's not fidget trick. Like,
Yeah.
stop.
Hand, nah, one in a hand, stop, down. Yes, I, you, cat, go, meow, meow, tries, go.
I actually know music that doesn't have cuss words. Music.
Yeah, but that was still wouldn't be good in the video.
Yeah, I know, but like we need music. Cause you know. Betrayed me.
No, I don't
No.
know songs that I know. I don't know.
Please, this is
No.
no. It's a very good song. Like you need to listen.
It doesn't have curse words in it.
It doesn't have.
No, just no. I don't.
It doesn't have cuss words.
Please give me my telephone. This is really good. Give me my
It's like my most favorite song. Like.
There's a wolf on my screen, and I have no idea what this is.
I want to end the video.
Why?
Cause like.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Share the
Post next week.
hit the yeah. Bye. So make sure to like and subscribe. Share the fans.